English is the global language of business, travel, and communication. By improving your English skills, you open up a world of opportunities. You can connect with people from all over the world, access a wider range of information and entertainment, and even advance your career prospects. So, let's see how shopping conversations can help you on your English learning journey.
Welcome back to Shopping Spree, your one-stop shop for all things retail therapy or retail ruination, depending on your perspective. I'm your host, Maya, and joining me in the shopping enthusiast corner today is the fabulous Ethan. Hey Maya, thanks for having me. Always excited to dissect the wonderful and sometimes terrifying world of shopping.
Absolutely. So, Ethan, let's kick things off with a broad question. Are you a mall rat or a click-from-couch kind of shopper?
Ooh, that's a tough one. I definitely enjoy the experience of browsing in stores, finding hidden gems. But let's be honest, the convenience of online shopping is hard to beat, especially with all those discount codes floating around.
Preach! Discount codes are the holy grail of online shopping. What about you, Maya? Do you have a favorite type of store to visit?
I'm a sucker for vintage shops. There's something so special about finding unique pieces with a history. Plus, it's sustainable. Although, I can't resist a good department store splurge on occasion.
Vintage shops are awesome. I recently found this killer leather jacket at one. Feels like a one-of-a-kind piece. But department stores, especially during sales, can be dangerous for my wallet.
We've all been there. Speaking of danger zones, have you ever had a shopping experience that turned into a total disaster?
Oh man, where do I even begin? One time, I ordered these shoes online that looked amazing in the picture. When they arrived, they were practically clown shoes. The return process was a nightmare.
Oh no! Returns can be the worst. I once bought a dress online that looked like it was made out of a potato sack. Lesson learned, always read the reviews.
Reviews are lifesavers. Now, on a more positive note, have you ever scored an amazing deal that made your day?
Definitely. Last week, I found this beautiful cashmere sweater at a thrift store for just $10. It was practically brand new. Those are the shopping wins you live for.
Wow, that's a steal. I recently found a rare graphic novel online that I'd been wanting for ages, and it was on massive discount. Score.
See, shopping isn't all bad. So, Ethan, any final words of wisdom for our listeners navigating the shopping world?
Plan your online purchases. Those impulse buys can add up quickly. And for in-store shopping, set a budget and stick to it.
Great advice. Remember, shopping should be fun, but responsible fun. Thanks for joining me today, Ethan.
Anytime, Maya. It was a blast.
For all you shopaholics and wannabe shopaholics out there, keep an eye out for our next episode where we'll be diving deeper into specific shopping styles and strategies. This is Maya, signing off for Shopping Spree.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.